Lexi, and I'm with Evelyn Meter Library, and this is Crisanti.
Hello everyone, today we're going to make a glow-in-the-dark jellyfish craft.
Here's the supplies you're going to need.
Prepare your workspace by putting down paper towels so you don't get anything messy with paint. You paint the bowl inside and out. Maybe put 2 coats on it so it can cover the whole bowl. You're gonna need 10 to 12 pieces of yarn, 36 inches long. Once your bowl is drying, you're gonna take a skewer or a sharp pencil and make 2 holes in the middle of the plate. You're gonna cut a piece of yarn 40 inches long. There's a small loop in the inside of the bowl now. Tie a knot on the outside of the bowl as well.
Jellyfish.
Make sure to hang your jellyfish in bright light for at least 30 minutes and then bring it back inside in the dark and you'll see it glow.